Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,736.14. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 gained 0.11%, while Germany's DAX climbed 1.38%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 24,975.82, while the S&P 500 edged higher to 7,411.98. In company news, telecoms group Vodafone raised its full-year guidance after a strong first quarter, and the consolidation of Safaricom strengthened its outlook. Meanwhile, pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca reported strong first-half growth as continued investment in its pipeline supported long-term expectations. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro and Japanese yen all edged slightly lower, while the Australian dollar was little changed. Bitcoin was up. In commodities, copper and gold moved higher, Brent crude fell sharply as geopolitical tensions eased, and natural gas edged lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.